Welcome to TeleDynamics video training series for the Yeastar P-Series PBX. Here are the topics being covered today. For simplicity, I've added a table of contents in the description below, allowing you to jump to a particular content section of the video. Now, let's get started. Today, I'm going to first cover where to find a few instructional YouTube videos created by Yeastar. The Yeastar YouTube channel is always adding new content, which sometimes makes it difficult to find the exact video you wish to view. To make things easier, I've added links below and, as shown here, to these informative videos covering unboxing, installing optional hardware cards, and using NFC with Linkus to program your new P-Series PBX's IP address. After viewing these videos, you should be ready to log in to the Graphical User Interface, or GUI, of the PBX shown here. The first time you direct your browser to connect to the P-Series, an installation wizard will begin automatically. Here on the first tab, you will get another chance to change the network configuration. Click the Next button when finished. The system will then run a quick network diagnostics to confirm your settings are valid before moving to the next tab. The second tab allows you to set the administrator's username and password, enter the administrator's email address, and configure notifications. Be aware there is no default administrator's password, so you will want to log in to your P-Series to complete the installation wizard immediately after the network is configured. Click the Next button when finished. The Next Installation Wizard tab allows you to choose your PBX's time zone, NTP server, and time and date format. Click Next once completed. The System Localization tab allows you to download other language prompts and change the system's default language, tone region, etc. Click Next to advance to the Summary tab, where you can edit any settings you previously set before the system will write the new changes upon reboot. Once rebooted, log into the GUI and you will be presented with the Data Processing Agreement. You will need to check the checkbox and confirm reading the agreement before you're allowed to view the dashboard. Now that you can view the dashboard, take notice of any notifications in the top right corner. It's a good practice to check for notifications here every time you log into the PBX. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like and subscribe buttons below. The voiceover service featured in this video has been provided by me, Allison Smith, of the IVR Voice. Contact me today for your customized IVR and voice services needs. If you have questions or need additional information about the topics covered in today's video, please contact your TeleDynamics salesperson or contact us by using the information provided here.